What you see behind me is a large number of new arrivals. Somalia is going through one of its periodic crises. You have persistent insecurity, especially in the area bordering Kenya because of the action of armed group, Al-Shabaab and others. But you also have a devastating drought that I saw by myself in Somalia just a few days ago. And this has prompted more people to come here. We estimate that about 50,000 have already joined the others, so swelling again the population of this camp. We can involve more in this area, in particular, development actors, to address some of the longer term issues, not only for the refugees, but also for the host communities. We need to move at multiple levels, the humanitarian level, but also the development level, in order to give people livelihoods so that they can break the cycle between crisis of insecurity, crisis of drought, crisis caused by climate change, and give them a sustainable future. The war in Ukraine and its very widespread impact is causing a shortage of aid, of humanitarian resources in many parts of the world and here as well. People fleeing in Ukraine or people fleeing in Somalia all face hardship and all deserve the same humanitarian attention. Lives are lives wherever they are.